The moment a new crypto is introduced to the market, only a very few become really popular. However, Safemoon has been surging since its inception. Stay alerted till the end of the video to know more about if Amazon is partnering with Safemoon. How would it affect the price of Safemoon? Hello, future billionaires! Welcome back to our channel Crypto Money, the channel where you get crypto inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Before heading forward, kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, the value of the coin would have changed completely. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, as the content we provide is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. Please do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial expert before making any investment decisions. Rumors spread like fire, and the situation here is no different. Recently, there was a spike in the price of all cryptocurrencies, and the reason behind it was one Amazon.com Inc. would soon accept crypto as payment. The cryptocurrency markets rallied this week. Cryptocurrency market value soared by billions of dollars after Amazon denied speculations that it had a specific plan for cryptocurrencies. Amazon's payments acceptance team posted a job listing for a digital currency and blockchain product lead. While Bitcoin and other currencies continued to rise even after the company denied that it would be listed, news reports about the listing triggered a sudden spike in Bitcoin and other altcoins, including Safemoon. The price of Bitcoin is up about 25%. Why do job postings cause such wild price swings? Only one person has been hired. However, if the world's largest retailers explore cryptocurrencies, it is indeed a piece of sensational news. Amazon's interest in digital coins is interpreted as a sign that they could one day become mainstream financial instruments, just like cash and credit cards, which would be used by millions of more people. As yet, the ultimate use of digital currencies has not been determined. Currently, they are viewed as an alternative to stocks and gold. Bitcoin is owned by millions of Americans. They are still mostly used as a means of everyday transactions, however. Bitcoin was used for digital payments by just 3% of consumers in 2020, up from 2% 2 years ago. Amazon's decision to accept cryptocurrency could change this. As it did with two-day shipping years ago, the company could set the standard for others to follow. Crypto transactions could turn billions of dollars into quarterly revenue into billions of dollars in revenue per month or maybe even weeks. It's possible. Many reasons exist for Amazon to want to expand into the cryptocurrency market. A total of $1.55 trillion is held in digital currencies right now, some of which are waiting to be exchanged for goods. According to Richard Krohn, Chief Executive Officer of payments consultant Krohn Consulting, Amazon sees more than $1 trillion burning a hole in people's pockets. It is instantly redeemable if it is accepted by a merchant, such as Amazon. That's not possible with a stock or a commodity, however. Despite the small share of payments, the demographics are attractive. BitPay, a payments platform that processes more than 100,000 cryptocurrency transactions a month, says crypto users tend to be younger and spend more than those who use credit or debit cards. Cryptocurrencies are already being used as currency. Bitcoin and other digital currencies were accepted by retailers through payment platforms in the 3 months ending June, up 133% from the same period a year earlier, according to Chain Analysis Research. Safemoon's price increase of more than 19,000% in its first few weeks was very attractive to investors searching for the next Dogecoin. A 4-month-old token, according to its developers, has been purchased by more than 2.4 million investors despite its price dropping since then. The unusual structure of Safemoon, however, has raised red flags for some crypto watchers. This is almost unheard of in the digital currency world, where token purchases and sales are both subject to a 10% fee. Owners receive half of those fees as an incentive to hold on to their properties, while the other half goes into a liquidity pool controlled by the developers of the properties. Decentralized finance token Safemoon has a chief executive officer and chief operating officer, but it also has a chief financial officer and chief operating officer. Its manual coin burns, which are used to adjust its circulation, have also been criticized for their discretionary nature. Jack Purdy, a senior research analyst, said he didn't know how risky Safemoon was, but its website makes it clear that it's designed to get investors to buy and hold to earn passive rewards through static reflection as they watch their balance grow indefinitely. This is what makes Safemoon unique. He also mentioned that they don't try to hide the fact that this is how the system works. The chief executive of Safemoon denied that his token is a Ponzi scheme in an interview from his home in the United Kingdom. He also stated that he had to risk his reputation and his identity to make Safemoon possible. Caroni compares Safemoon's holder payments to the beginnings of businesses like Amazon.com Inc., where earlier investors receive higher returns and growth because the initial risk they took was higher than those who joined later. Caroni said he wasn't sure what to make of Portnoy's tweet, but he appreciated it nonetheless. This means more people hear about Safemoon. It's cool to see big names promoting Safemoon. Since its launch on March 9, this altcoin's price has fluctuated between $0.00000002 and $0.00000003. It took the bulls on the card less than a week to take it to $0.00000004. Due to the unstable downside pressure for a new currency, the price dropped to $0.00000001 and began fluctuating. Following external factors, the price reached a high of $0.000007 on April 25. Due to its inability, it entered May with a value of $0.00000544. Safemoon lost a significant portion of its market value when the market crashed, falling from $0.00000871 to $0.00000567. As uncertainty increased, the altcoin reversed to $0.00000438 at the start of June. As of August 4th, the value of Safemoon is $0.000002. Traders are looking for a relatively low-cost currency after this year's market crash to minimize their risk of loss. Safemoon's survival, despite its setbacks, is supported by many critics. If Safemoon can attract new investors, the altcoin price could rise to $0.00000662 by the end of the year. 2022 may begin to be bullish if prices reach positive highs by the end of the year. As a result, the price for the upcoming year could be around $0.000067 at the outset. Consequently, it may resume trading at $0.000003 in 2022. Meme coins are undeniably out of date, but they have a strong user base and social community behind them. Safemoon has the same philosophy. Its Reddit community grew rapidly in a short period. Coin prices could reach $0.000089 if the network manages to grow its community users in the coming year. The price of Safemoon by the end of 2022 could be $0.00000713 if only normal buying or selling pressures are present at the time. On a long-term basis, Safemoon looks like a great investment as the liquidity force is locked up for 4 years. Because the currency was listed on Whitebit, it became a positive sign for the coin's future. It is, therefore, possible that Safemoon's price will skyrocket if new exchanges like Coinbase Pro list within the next 5 years. A series of manual burns in the coming years could also help the network keep its promise of volatility. So, Safemoon's average price could be $0.00000114. Safemoon works on similar principles as the other famous cryptos, such as a higher TPS and improved security. However, it has also promised to make investments more secure by reducing volatility. During a trade, Safemoon performs 3 functions: reflection, LP acquisition, and burning. For additional exposure, the project's developers are conducting numerous online interviews and AMA sessions. This altcoin is unique as it encourages investors to hold tokens rather than sell them. Earlier this year, the network entered the DeFi space intending to revolutionize the industry by implementing static rewards to relieve market pressure. The currency is a good investment for long-term investors, which is a bonus for token holders. The automated liquidity pool creates a price cushion, ensuring that token holders' investments are protected. When the supply of fuel increases, the network reduces price volatility by using a manual burn-in technique instead of traditional burning methodologies. Safemoon, despite its novel conventions, has been criticized in the crypto market for its does nothing or far from safe taglines. Within a short period, the network began working with popular crypto platforms and institutions, which helped to expand its reach. As of March, Safemoon x Bibipom has entered into a joint venture. This collaboration took place later in May when the Safemoon wallets were created in conjunction with Simplex, a leading financial institution. The Safemoon wallet is currently undergoing a beta test on the network in preparation for its full release. An NFT exchange is also on their agenda. So, there you have it. And with that, we have come to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed the video, and let us know in the comments whether you will be using Safemoon wallet or not. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Crypto Money.